students, welcome to Knowledge Time classes. In this video we are going to solve exercise 8.1 of quadrilateral chapter, sum number 4. What is given in this question? It is given quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Once it is given it is a square, I can take all the properties of a square. Now what are the main properties of a square? All the sides are equal. So I can say AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to A. And all angles are 90 degrees. So angle ADC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degrees. This property I can take. They are telling me you prove that the diagonals are equal. That means I have to prove AC is equal to BD. The diagonals bisect each other. That means AO is equal to OC, DO is equal to OB, and they bisect each other at right angle. That means angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. If I prove one angle is 90 degree, automatically all becomes 90 degree. Got it? So this sum actually contains three parts. Let us do the first part. What do I have to prove? I have to prove diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So I will take those triangles which contains these two diagonals. Which are those triangles? Triangle ADC and triangle BCD. See, you should first, before starting the sums, you have to think which triangles I am going to take. So whichever part they have asked you to prove congruent, you select those triangles which contains those parts. So now in triangle ADC and triangle BCD, can I say AD is equal to BC, sides of a square, angle ADC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree, angle of a square, and DC is equal to DC, common side. Therefore triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BCD by SAS test of congruence. Therefore AC is equal to BD, congruent parts of congruent triangle. Your first part is proved. Second part, now you have to prove that AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. Now which triangle contains all these parts? Can you tell me? I want AO, I want OC, I want DO and I want DC. So this triangle and this triangle, they contain all these four parts. So now I should select these two triangles. Now I have to prove this triangle, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. How will I prove? Can I say angle BAO? If this is X, then can I say this angle is also equal to X? Why? If it is a square, then definitely it is a parallelogram. So these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal. So these are alternate angles. Correct? Again, can I say if this angle is Y, then this angle is Y. Angle ABO is equal to angle CDO is equal to Y. Why? Again, alternate angles. And can I say AB is equal to DC? Why? Because they are opposite sides of a square. Therefore, triangle ABO is congruent to triangle CDO by which test? A test of congruence. Correct? So once both these triangles are congruent, I can say AO is equal to CO and DO is equal to BO. Therefore, diagonals they bisect each other. So what I have proved now? This part is equal to this part and this part is equal to this part. Correct? Now third question. What is the third question? I have to prove this angle is 90 degree. So now I have to select that triangle which contains this angle, which is that triangle AOD. So I will select AOD and triangle AOB. In triangle AOD and triangle AOB, can I say AO is equal to AO common? OD is equal to OB. I have just now proved. And AO is equal to AO, OD is equal to OB, and AD is equal to AB. They are the sides of a square. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD by S test of congruence. Therefore, this angle, suppose I name this angle as M. This angle is congruent to this angle, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. But they form a linear pair. Therefore, M plus M is 180, 2M is 180 and M becomes 90 degree. And hence this angle also becomes 90 degree. So the diagonals of a square, they are equal and they bisect each other at right angle. So I have written the first part. Proof. We have to prove three parts to prove diagonals are equal, diagonal bisect each other and they are at right angles. First part, to prove AC is equal to BD. Consider triangle ADC and triangle BCD. AD is equal to BC is equal to A. Angle ADC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree and DC is equal to DC is equal to A, common side. Therefore, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BCD by SAS test of congruence. Therefore, AC is equal to BD by CPCD. Hence, it is proved. Please note down this. Consider part 2. In part 2, what we have to prove? That diagonals bisect each other. We have already proved that diagonals are equal to each other. So, in part 2, we have to prove that diagonals bisect each other. For that, we have to consider these two triangles. I have already explained you. Let me see how we are writing it. So, you have to prove AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. Proof. Consider triangle AOB and triangle AOB and triangle COD. So you will consider triangle ABO and triangle CDO. We know angle AOB is congruent to angle OCD. This angle X is equal to this angle X. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, which is equal to X. You have CD is equal to AB, opposite sides of a square, and you have angle ABO is equal to angle CDO is equal to Y. They are alternate angles because AB and CD are parallel sides. Therefore, triangle ABO is congruent to triangle CDO by ASA test of congruent. Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Therefore, AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO, CPCT. Hence, diagonals bisect each other. Last part, part 3. What we have to prove in part 3? That diagonals are bisecting each other at right angle. We have already proved diagonals are equal. First part. Second part, we have proved that diagonal bisect each other. In third part, we have to prove diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So in triangle AOD and triangle AOB, we have AO is equal to AO common. We have OD is equal to OB. We have proved from 1. So from 1. And we have AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of a square. So therefore, in triangle AOD and triangle AOB, you have AO is equal to AO, OD is equal to OB. We have proved just now from 1. And AD is equal to AB, sides of a square. So therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. AOD is congruent to triangle AOB by SSS test of congruence. SSS test of congruence. Correct? Therefore, angle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. CPCT. So this angle is equal to this angle is equal to M. But can I say M plus M is equal to 180 degree? They form a linear pair. So 2M is equal to 180, M equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. Hence, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Hence, it is proved. Kindly note down this sum and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.